Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. A terrace offers the opportunity to have a pleasant time outside for both barbecue and relaxing with your family. The possibilities are almost endless. Here we offer you 25 pictures of inspiring ideas for the design of wooden patio. Get inspired! For a unique design of wooden terrace, planning carefully the details is essential. Even if you have a certain degree of expertise, you may want to assign this task to the professionals because they can better examine the soil and provide suitable support in this way, so that rain and snow water can drain off and the terrace stays stable. First, you will determine the location of the terrace, right in front of the entrance or in the middle of the garden. The second step is to choose the right type of wood according to your needs. Whether you choose domestic or exotic woods, it depends on your personal preference. In any case, one should consider the following criteria. Will there be a roof, or will the wood be exposed to various weather conditions throughout the year? Which loads must the patio be able to withstand an outdoor kitchen or heavy rattan sofas? Do you want to keep the color of the wood, or rather do you mind if it forms a patina over time? Will the terrace be used by adults only, or will there be children and pets as well? Once the position and size of the platform are determined and the floor is cleared from unwanted grass, then the construction can begin. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.